up, you guys? Today I'm doing an unboxing video with my little brother now. So we're both going to unbox it now, yeah? Ta-da! And Dad got me this for a birthday present. So this is like a piece of paper which is in that for no reason. And like, this is supposed to go on top of the box, I think. Lizzie. And this is the colour wheel. So yeah, it's quite amazing. And paint pens. Yeah, paint pens.
Lizzie doesn't have a clue what this stuff is. She'll find out when she makes it. But it's good watching her guess.
And then like, this is the battery use instructions. I'll show you the batteries in a minute. And this is a magazine. I don't know why. Like, tell her a bit about the magazine.
It's her favourite colour.
Yeah, my favourite colour is blue, by the way. So yeah.
I gotta go quickly go up.
Yeah, and
Yes, for a second because I need the toilet.
Really good comment. So
I need to quickly go to the toilet. I'll be back.
I'll be right back. It's fine. Like, this is supposed to be on the box there. So you can put all of the sockets and things. There is. So that's the batteries, I think. And this is the instructions. I'll tell you the steps if you want. Yeah, I will tell you. It's quite smart. I'm quite smart, so yeah. And I want to be an engineer when I grow up. That's why my dad bought me it. I used to want to be a scientist. That's also why he bought me it. And also, this is called the Tinker Crate, and it's made by Kiwi Co. So yeah, you should definitely check them out, you guys. And there are so many steps. So yeah. And on the back is step 1. Stop. This morning. This is a warning.
Step 1. Tip. Time.
Stop. I'm reading. Although your paint will wash out of most surfaces, it can still be messy. Wear an apron or clothes you don't mind getting dirty, and put down a mess mat to protect your work surface.
And no children under 3.
Kind of messy. Wait, why does it say that?
On the last page at the bottom, it's warning. Open all of it.
Warning, choking hazard, small parts. Not for children under 3 years. Do not mix old and new batteries. Do not mix alkaline, standard, carbon, zinc, or rechargeable batteries. So yeah, I'm just acting really
It's
smart.
not complicated, Lizzie.
So that's
can do
the Tinker Crate, and we promise that we will do it. Even if it comes like a giant mess, and like, somebody gets so gross, I'll just run out of the house. Mwah. He's the world's bestest brother, in my opinion. And now, I'm going to show you how to put it back in. So first, you're supposed to fold it into there. Then, put the Tinker Crate sign inside it.
Zine.
Inside. And then put this.
Her favourite magazine, that one.
Inside. Then, which one's the next biggest, Zach? Show me. What is that?
Biggest.
How about this one now?
They're big.
This one. So you put in that. Then this.
And then this.
Then this.
That's pretty cool, guys.
I don't know what the heck that is.
And this is the colour pens.
Then this.
And then the colour pens.
Then this.
And
And this. Then this. And then the paper.
Then we close it all up.
And then Zach's going to show you how to close it.
You said I will.
Go. It's like fold.
This is how you close it, guys.
Yeah, he's about. Oh yeah, and I also had a birthday, so now I'm 10. Like, if you didn't know that already.
And I had my birthday on 6.
You can't really see this. It says my address on.
Last time I was 5. And now
Take a look.
I'm 6.
Take a look. This is my address.
Address. Let me look at the Yeah, Joanne.
You guys, this is one of my sweets.
Sweet.
I might eat one now to show you how to eat.
Wrap it up, Lizzie.
And I'll show you another one if you want.
Let's say bye now, yeah?